Okay, it's breakfast time. I'm super excited. I've actually gone for a strawberry ambrosia because, to be honest, it was less calories and sounded a little bit nicer than the yogurt and muesli that was available. So that's what I'm having for breakfast.
Apricot Crumble for me.
Yeah.
Should be good. Yeah.
So a little bit of information about these guys. We brought these from Torpedo 7. They are the backcountry dehydrated foods. It is 659 calories, so pretty good for a breakfast if you are on the mountain.
629 calories. I've never tried one of these before. It's going to be interesting. Have you?
No, I'm not expecting it to be anything phenomenal. Obviously, beggars can't be choosers. If you are hiking on a mountain, food is energy. You need energy. It's going to be great. So let's get into it. We are going to boil some water.
Yep.
Check in shortly.
On.
Where did that go to? Oh my gosh. Oh, we have to seal them again, don't we?
Yeah.
Oh, squeeze air out. Okay. And we come back in 10 to 15 minutes and we get to try them. Yeah, breakfast time.
11 minutes later.
So there's actually a tear line, which is tear to create bowl. So I'm gonna do that.
Wow, look at that. So I'm going to crumble these up. I'm not convinced.
It smells like protein powder.
Okay.
Like,
It's probably got that in it, really.
yeah, let's just go. Let's just...
Mine's not bad.
What the hell? I don't like the texture. I'm gonna be honest.
I could eat that.
This is so good. I would voluntarily eat this.
Doesn't even taste like a bad apricot crumble. Why would you spend hours making it?
They're expensive.
Yeah, they are expensive.
We'll
That is a good point.
We'll talk about that at the end. Oh,
Wow, this looks good.
I don't like the consistency of yours.
I like mine more than I like yours.
Really?
Yeah, this is real sweet, but it's good. I was not expecting that. I thought it would taste okay, like, you know, like a microwave meal or something, but it's better than a microwave meal.
I agree. Okay. That's 1 for 1 so far. Breakfast was absolutely a success. This was delicious. All right, we will see you at lunch.
Why would you choose apricot crumble?
Not bad, right?
That's not bad at all. Strawberry ambrosia dessert. Okay. I think I like this one more. I used to be in the New Zealand Army. I've had hundreds, if not, thousands of these. I would say that these are probably quite a bit better than you'd get in the military. So yeah, give it a go.
What's up, guys? Welcome to lunchtime. It's a couple of hours past midday. We are on the side of a river right now amongst nature here in beautiful Arrowtown in the South Island of New Zealand. You're probably wondering why we're here. That's going to be explained in next week's video. We're recording another video at the moment.
Okay, so our gourmet lunch Riverside is going to be starting with beef and pasta hot pot. Meal number 2 is roast beef and vegetables. Last but not least, we have my one, which is sweet and sour lamb. So we have collected some water from the river. We have boiled it. We are going to go and fill these to the recommended line, wait 15 minutes, and then come back and try them for you guys. So be right back.
Let's get into it. I'm hungry.
I'm gonna try sweet and sour lamb. That's heavy, man.
Yeah?
You're gonna try beef and pasta hot pot.
That is heavy. It's stocky food, you know? You can.
That's the word. Stocky. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah, look, I know it's pretty good for me. It lacks flavor, I think. Sweet and sour lamb, all right. I like this one more. That's got that flavor. I don't think that one's got too much flavor. This is good.
This actually is good. It's like a hot pot. It is a hot pot. It's beef and pasta hot pot. How many times did I just say hot pot?
Probably a 7 out of 10, you know?
So this is roast beef and vegetables. It has mashed potato with it, so you actually cook the mashed potatoes separate. This smells so good.
Yeah?
Smell that. Oh my gosh, what the heck?
That's probably the best smelling out of all of them.
I agree.
They don't smell bad, but...
I agree.
All right, 1,
It's
2...
hot, hot, hot. Careful. That is so good. Okay, mashed potato. I'm nervous about this.
I think that needs like an extra minute or two, but
Yeah.
that is by far the best.
Okay, and the potato. Negative.
No?
No.
Kind of floury, yeah.
Tastes like milk powder. Not a fan.
I think it's supposed to go in there.
No.
You're supposed to have it separate?
In it.
Let me read that. It doesn't actually say, but you can if you want.
We're gonna go. We're gonna eat the rest of these, and we will see you guys at dinner.
All right, we are back at dinner time on a very windy night in the Arrowtown campground.
We are very lucky with this campground. It has a fully functioning kitchen. Not that we will be using it. We will be sticking with the theme of the video and having our dehydrated dinners. What is on the menu?
Number one,
Number one is Mexican chicken. Number two is lamb fettuccine. This is Ryan's one. Number three is mine. I'm so excited about this after the roast we had earlier in the video. This is roast chicken. All set for dinner tonight. We'll wait 15 minutes and we will be right back.
okay, we're back 15 minutes later.
The magic of editing, honestly. It's just amazing.
Incredible.
Okay, first up, Mexican chicken. This is the hot one. Hot. I don't know.
3 chilies on it.
Yeah. Oh, that does smell spicy actually.
Give it a whirl.
We're gonna try it at the same time. It also came with corn chips.
1,
Cheers.
2, 3. That's spicy though. I like it. But good, right?
Oh, can confirm. Oh, when they say spicy, they mean it.
It's got a bit of a kick, but it's good. I'll eat that.
Lamb fettuccine.
Yum.
This one's gonna be good. Lamb anything is delicious, unless you're a vegetarian. That one's way better than the Mexican chicken.
It tastes like a kebab that you would get from a Turkish place mixed with pasta.
Roast chicken with mashed potato.
Cheers.
Escapee. We have an escapee. It's a pea.
Funny, yeah. I like that more than the... Did we have roast beef for lunch?
No, I preferred the roast beef.
I think I like
Just as
that more.
good. Really? I'm gonna get rid of the escapee.
Hilarious.
I'm so funny, honestly. I've missed my calling.
All right.
Okay, final thoughts.
Again, not what I expected at all with any of the meals today.
We have eaten like kings and queens today. It has been absolutely fantastic. It is worth knowing. These larger packs, so the bigger ones, are $14.99.
New Zealand dollars.
Oh yeah, New Zealand dollars. We're in New Zealand right now. The breakfasts were $13.99 each. Overall, I would give the food that we have eaten today as a whole a solid 9 out of 10.
Yeah, I'd probably go with more of an 8 out of 10. Like, it's not gourmet, but it's definitely worth the money and the convenience is incredible.
That is it for this week's video, guys. Don't forget to give it a like if you did like it. Clearly we did. Don't forget to subscribe, it means a lot, and if you'd like to see more videos like this year, we are going to continue traveling a little bit around New Zealand and hopefully the rest of the world, so that's going to be fun. If you want to join along, make sure that you are subscribed. Leave a comment down below if you would try the backcountry dehydrated foods. Yeah, until next Friday, guys. Peace.